Hi folks, just wanted to give everybody a quick update. Today, good news coming from Camden, New Jersey. The U.S. District Court for New Jersey, Judge Renee Bumb, issued a TRO for the Seagull matter. Again, remember, this is another Second Amendment case, another Second Amendment lawsuit against the state of New Jersey, referenced the as I like to call it, carry law signed by Governor Murphy back in December. So there are multiple lawsuits filed, two of significance, the Coons case, which I talked about in a previous video, and now this Seagull case, which has been consolidated into the Coons case. We liked how Judge Baum ruled on the Coons matter, and now this Seagull matter has been consolidated into the Coons matter, and she just ruled and issued a TRO today on the Seagull case, which is a very similar case to the Coons case, in which they challenge certain parts of the anti-carry law. And she's saying that cause does exist for a TRO to be in effect. So, and essentially the state of New Jersey cannot enforce these provisions of the law pending a preliminary injunction hearing. That lawsuit is challenging a bunch of the sensitive places in that law, preventing lawful permit to carry holders from carrying firearms in certain areas in the state of New Jersey. What she's saying is that, and I'll read it here, plaintiffs have demonstrated probability of success on the merits of their Second Amendment challenge to certain provisions of Chapter 131, Section 7A. Specifically, she talks about those four areas: parks, beaches, recreational facilities. That's Subpart 10. Subpart 12, public libraries and museums. Subpart 15, bars, restaurants where alcohol is served. 17, entertainment facilities. 18, casinos. And 24, private property. Also, the vehicle restriction. So she's issuing a TRO for all these locations because these locations are being challenged in the lawsuit, the Seagull matter. She's saying the temporary restraining order will be in effect, meaning the state of New Jersey cannot enforce the parts of this new law challenged in this motion pending the plaintiff's hearing for a preliminary injunction, which shall occur as expeditiously as possible once a briefing schedule for a motion has been set. So she's saying she wants this to happen fast. She wants a schedule to be submitted and it to occur quickly, which is good news, I think. She's also saying that the defendants, which are the state of New Jersey, the Attorney General, and the Superintendent of State Police, she's saying that they cannot demonstrate a history of firearm regulation to support these challenge provisions for which they have demonstrated in Article 3 standing. Judge Renee Bumb is saying, and I'm going to read it to you, and you can go to this document yourself. I'll put a link in the description. The threat of criminal prosecution for exercising their Second Amendment rights as holders of valid permits from the state to conceal their handguns constitutes irreparable injury on behalf of the plaintiffs, and neither the state nor the public has an interest in enforcing unconstitutional laws. She's saying good cause exists, and therefore the court hereby grants the TRO, the temporary restraining order. So, folks, I think this is good news. We expected it, right? Because she ruled this way on the Coons matter. In this case, the Seagull matter has been consolidated into Coons matter. And I think that was a good show for Second Amendment in New Jersey. Folks, I think this is good news for people in the state of New Jersey who want to exercise their Second Amendment right to keep and bear arms, carry a handgun in public to protect themselves and their families. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe to stay up to date with these permit to carry issues in the state of New Jersey. Thanks for watching. Take care and stay safe.